Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add money into your Credit Karma debit card. So it is very easy to do. So there are mainly three methods or three ways to add money in your card. So I'm going to explain one by one. So the first method is to use direct deposit. So to use it, simply open your Credit Karma app, or you can also open Credit Karma website. Then navigate to the money spent account and then look for routing and account numbers needed for direct deposit. You will need to provide these details to your employer or the source of income. Now the next option is to use bank transfer. So just open Credit Karma app or website and then go to Credit Karma spend money account and then select the option to add money, and then follow the prompts to link an external bank account if you haven't already linked. After this, you can transfer money from your external account to your Credit Karma debit card account. So that was the second option, and the third option is mobile check deposit. So for that you need to be eligible for this method because this method is only available for some users. So what you can do is just open Credit Karma app and then just like the previous step, goes to money spent account and then select deposit check option. After this, follow the instruction to take a picture of check and then you can deposit it. So that's how you can add money in Credit Karma debit card. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.